worst situation since the end of civil war in 1997 that may lead to the worst political crisis since independence in 1992, as well as it is very dangerous not only to Tajikistan but also to the region as a whole. The Tajik government does not have a long-term vision and determination to solve the problems of the people, like national currency's speed fall, highest rate of unemployment after the return of Tajik immigrants from Russia, winter electricity crisis, and other social, economic, and political problems. Moreover, after banning the Islamic Revival Party of Tajikistan and arresting tens of its high-ranking members and their lawyers, the government has chosen the oppressive policies against its own citizens who dare to criticize it. Unfortunately, the government, for hiding its own failure, helplessness, and ineffectiveness in solving the social, economic, and political problems of the country, has drawn the attention of Tajiks and world society to other minor and less important issues like banning beards, hijab, Arabic-sounding names, converting hundreds of mosques to the places of music, dancing, and entertainment, preventing citizens under 40 years old from Hajj. We, the Tajik protesters, request our partner and friend countries, international organizations like the UN, EU, OSCE, OIC, International Union of Muslim Scholars, as well as human rights organizations like Amnesty International, Freedom House, Human Rights Watch, International Crisis Group, Norwegian Helsinki Committee, etc., to urge the Tajik government to 1. End all kinds of pressures and persecutions of all political activists inside and outside the country and their family members inside the country. 2. Free all political prisoners and detainees who were arrested on false and fabricated charges which links to their political activities. 3. Ensure inclusion, freedom, and respect to all citizens, regardless of gender, religion, political views, regions, etc. 4. Not to interfere in people's wills in choosing their appearance, their form of worship, their clothes, etc. 5. Impose sanctions on Tajik top high-level officials, including visa ban, freezing bank accounts, and financial restrictions, etc. Tajik protesters in Germany, 23rd of February 2016.
Thank you. Thank you.
Allah Akbar.